Now let's move into DL tag. So let's use another horizontal line here. um, let's use the color into black, and let's use size of 5, and right. Now let's see how the web page displays. You can see all the things here. After this line, let's start with DL tag. So the DL tag refers for description list. What is this type of list? Now let's walk through this description list using a example. We can use a DT tag here, and let's type something like Python, and also it is the description title DT, and we can use DD tag again, description data, and let's type something like Python is a modern programming language. And let's see how the description list works. You can see Python, it is the description title, and this is the description data. That's how a description list works. And also you can use more uh, description titles and description. You can use DT, description title Java, and description data as a Java is an object oriented programming language. You can save it and see. You can see how the description list works. The description title is at the top, and description data is at with the indentation. Java is an object oriented language, so it is something really cool again. And now I think you have got the idea about ordered list, unordered list, and at last description list. So guys, now let's move into another very important part in HTML. It is HTML tables. Now let's move out of this p tag also, and now let's start a tag called table. Let's start, and I'll type table and I'll comment it, control and slash. for, for from this position it is about table. So I'll use this HR, the horizontal line at this position, to identify this part. Now let's see how does it works. You can see all the lists are here, and now it starts from the table. So easily you can use a table tag to start a table. After that, you can use table head table head part for the head of the table, and you can use table body for the body part of the table. It is not very very much required, but you you can use to get it to develop your code as much as readable. So it is something good to use table head and table body. So now also you can, let's type something here. First of all, the table, let's see how the table works. You can see still nothing has displayed here. I have saved this one, Control S, and I can't see anything at this moment. So the tables are going as rows, so we must first declare a table row. In this table row, I must use th tags for table head again, and I can use it is as name, and in that same row I'll use table head as age, and that same row I'll use table head as gender, and I'll use country, and not suggesting anything, so I'll keep it as this. Now let's save this and see how the table works. Now you can see there's a table name, age, gender and country, but you can't see the borders of this table. How to get the borders of the table? Now you must move into the table tag and type border, and I'll select as 2. Let's see how the border works. Now you can see there's a border in this table row. This is just a table row.